Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss about Coulomb's law. Okay, so look at the diagram here. I have two charges Q1 and Q2 which are separated by a distance R. Suppose if Q1 is positive, Q2 also positive. So positive means a repulsive force is acting between the two charges. Okay, similarly, suppose if Q1 is positive, Q2 is negative, so here opposite charges means attractive force is acting. So by seeing this diagram, yes, we can understand here the force of attraction is directly proportional to product of two charges. Okay, and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. That means when distance of separation increases, the force of attraction will decrease. Okay, now I'm going to combine these two equations. Therefore, F is proportional to Q1 Q2 by R square. Now I'm going to remove this proportional. For that, I'm taking F is equal to some constant K into Q1 Q2 by R square. Okay, or here K is equal to, K means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by R square. So this is the Coulombic force formula. Just a second, I will go for next slide. Yes, so finally I got F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Correct or not? So this one we can write like this, K into Q1 Q2 by R square, right? Now bring this K left side. K is equal to F R square by Q1 Q2. So based on this, we can able to calculate SI unit of K. As we know that K means what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught only, no? That is equal to, SI unit of force means Newton. SI unit of distance is meter. So here square will be there. So meter square by. SI unit of charge is Coulomb into another charge also Coulomb. So you will get Newton meter square Coulomb power minus 2. Okay, so this 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught having a fixed value, that value is, I'm going to write here, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value is 9 into 10 power 9, unit is Newton meter square C power minus 2. Okay, so finally here we know the formula F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by R square. Okay, so where epsilon naught is called permittivity of free space. Now you just bring this epsilon naught only left side. From the above equation, epsilon naught is equal to 1 by 4 pi F into Q1 Q2 by R square. Okay, so this one we can write it as 1 by, I'm going to calculate SI unit of epsilon naught. So SI unit of force is Newton into SI unit of charge is Coulomb into another charge also Coulomb divided by distance means meter square. So this one we can write it as, if you bring this Newton numerator, Newton power minus 1, C into C means C square. If you bring this meter square into the numerator, M power minus 2. So this is the epsilon naught SI unit. So this epsilon naught also having a constant value, that value is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. What is the unit? Newton inverse Coulomb square meter power minus 2. Okay, I hope you understand